Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock ads on Facebook Reels. Many creators are looking to monetize their short-form video content, and Facebook offers a fantastic opportunity for this. We'll go over the essential steps, from understanding eligibility to setting up your account and finally activating those in-stream ads. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to start earning from your creative Reels. Let's dive in and get you set up for success. To begin, it's crucial to meet Facebook's eligibility requirements. First, ensure your profile or page is in professional mode. You'll also need to adhere to Facebook's partner monetization policies and content monetization policies, which outline what kind of content is suitable for ads. Maintaining a good standing with community standards is vital, and having a decent following and engagement on your Reels will certainly help your application. These steps lay the groundwork for successful monetization. Once you understand the requirements, it's time to prepare your account. If you haven't already, switch your profile or page to professional mode. Then, head over to your Creator Studio or Professional Dashboard. Here, you'll find the monetization section where you can review and accept the terms and conditions. Don't forget to link a payout account. This is how you'll receive your earnings. Taking these steps ensures your account is ready to start generating revenue from your amazing Reels. Finally, let's activate those ads. Within your professional dashboard, navigate to the monetization tools. You'll see an option to enable in-stream ads specifically for your Reels content. Remember, your content should always be ad-friendly to maximize your earning potential. Regularly checking your performance insights will help you understand what's working best and allow you to optimize your strategy for even greater success. It's an exciting journey, and I wish you the best in monetizing your creative work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.